Profit. So Zach Crawford is launching this offer that's available for a limited time, where you can learn high ticket sales for a one-time investment of just $7. He has this offer now with Income Online, how to potentially earn in 27 days or less using a semi-passive two-step business model without your own products or website, no previous experience, technical skills or websites required. So what's this passive? Bonuses you receive instantly when purchasing today, organic traffic, repeated scripts, high ticket offers checklist, and done for you sales funnel. So here what it looks like in the members area. Here you will find the profile, and here your library of product. Facebook group where Zach shares a whole lot of value to help you make those high ticket sales. And here's a picture of him, Zach Crawford. Click on one for this module, that video. You click on the button to mark it as viewed. Completed video. Start here. Welcome to Passive Affiliate Profit. And then because I've marked it as completed, so that's why that sign is there. But to get to the trading, click on the title, and when you watched it, just click on this to mark, and it will say on the first page then how many modules you have gone through. And here's the next module, how to make millions with affiliate marketing. You can also click there to go to the more of the modules, market research and how I do it, how to choose products that will make you 7 figures, promote my products and make 1k to 10k per sale, plus 100k bonus contest. So if you want to get started for this limited early bird offer, then you need to click the link below and get started for $7. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.